Hi everyone, my name is Ruben Quintanilla and I'm one of the finance managers here at Hacienda Ford. So the protection I'm going to talk about today is the tire and wheel road hazard protection. So you just bought your newer pre-owned vehicle and the last thing you want to worry about is your rim or tire getting damaged while you're driving on the road. With the tire and wheel protection, this would alleviate any issues you might have in the future with road hazard incidents. It does cover you for 5 years with no deductible and has an unlimited amount of occurrences. With the tire and wheel protection, this will alleviate some of the issues or worries you have while driving on the road, so you can have the peace of mind knowing that your tire and wheel are covered if road hazard damage were to occur. Some of the benefits of the tire and wheel protections are repair or replacement of a flat tire. Also repair or replacement of your damaged wheel. The protection also covers labor costs, mounting, balancing, and other costs associated with replacing your tire. What's awesome about this protection is that it has a zero deductible and there's no limit to how many times you can use the protection within the 5 years of the coverage.